Today I'm showing you how to make the easiest chicken noodle soup you'll ever make. And quite honestly, it is the only recipe you'll ever need.
We're keeping this classic. Carrots, celery, onion, shredded chicken, homemade broth, egg noodles, and a little kale for freshness. Now chop up the veggies. The onion, carrots, and celery. And you can dice or slice that any way you want. If you like to use the celery leaves for extra flavor, chop them too. Same with the kale. Take it off the stems and chop it up as fine as you like. Then saute onions and celery in butter or oil until soft and fragrant. This will build your flavor base. Add the carrots, 6 cups of homemade chicken broth, and 4 cups of water. Stir in shredded rotisserie chicken, and you can also bake chicken breasts at 375 degrees Fahrenheit with a little water on the pan so it stays moist, and then shred them once cooked. In my other video, which you will see pop up on the top on the right, I used chicken breast, but here in this video I use rotisserie chicken because it is faster and easier. So it is totally up to you what chicken you want to use. Season with salt, pepper, and garlic, and other things you want to use like thyme, ginger, whatever you like. Or use your favorite blend. I am using Livia's seasoning here, which has become one of my favorites, and I will link it below in the description. Let everything simmer for about 20 minutes or so, and then the flavor comes together beautifully. Taste the broth and season some more if you are not quite happy with the taste yet. Add chopped kale, and now here's the most important tip. Add the noodles last. They absorb liquid quickly and can turn mushy if overcooked, so watch them carefully. After 8 minutes, it's ready. This looks and smells so good. Let's scoop some in the bowl and see how it tastes.
Now let's do the taste test. Simple ingredients, real food, comfort in a bowl. For my full recipe, visit my blog. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.